What if I told you rich people don't focus on saving money? They focus on making money grow. Most people believe saving is the safest path, but the wealthy think very differently. They know money sitting still slowly loses its power. Inflation quietly reduces the value of cash every single year. So instead of saving everything, they plant money where it can grow. Businesses, stocks, and real estate can earn money while they sleep. This is called making your money work for you. They don't ignore savings. They simply don't let savings become the final goal. Every dollar gets a job instead of sitting idle. They spread money across different opportunities to reduce risk. The biggest investment often starts with knowledge. They create clear financial goals before spending money. Owning assets gives money the chance to multiply. They avoid spending just to impress other people. Wealth grows through patience, not speed. Small, smart decisions create big results over time. Every dollar is a choice. The rich ask where it will create the most value. They buy assets that can produce even more money. They regularly check progress instead of chasing quick profits. They research before investing, not after losing money. Easy money usually comes with big risks. They still keep emergency savings, but only for protection. Diversification helps reduce unnecessary risk. This is how compound growth works. Small gains become huge over time. They understand that wealth is built over years, not weeks. Patience is often more valuable than perfect timing. They control spending, so they have more money to invest. They invest first, then spend what remains. The richest investment is always your education. Better ideas often create more wealth than harder work. Every investment begins with one small decision. The wealthy don't buy everything they can afford. They avoid putting all their money in one place. Short-term losses don't always mean long-term failure. They stay calm when markets become emotional. They focus on where money will be years from now. Relationships and partnerships can create opportunities money alone cannot. They build multiple streams of income. The goal is earning money even when you're not working. They constantly look for new opportunities. Assets are seeds that keep producing fruit. A clear direction matters more than moving fast. Wealth is built one step at a time. Never underestimate the power of one small investment. The biggest fortunes usually grow slowly before they grow quickly. The rich don't simply save money. They build systems that make money grow. The rich know that time is more valuable than money. Time allows investments to grow. They stay consistent, even when progress seems slow. They understand that every investment has ups and downs. They don't let fear control their financial decisions. Every small investment brings them one step closer to freedom. Their focus is growth, not simply saving. Businesses can create income again and again. They learn from mistakes instead of repeating them. Knowledge keeps paying long after money is spent. They keep feeding the investments that produce results. Success isn't one giant leap. It's thousands of small steps. Multiple income sources become one powerful financial system. Discipline protects wealth better than luck. They delay expensive rewards until their assets can pay for them. They calculate risk before chasing rewards. They measure progress instead of comparing themselves to others. Consistency carries people where motivation cannot. They never stop planting new opportunities. They always think years ahead. True wealth grows quietly before everyone notices. Financial knowledge becomes even more valuable when it's shared. The real goal isn't money, it's freedom. Money should support your life, not control it. They never stop learning. They build for tomorrow instead of living only for today. Every investment is another promise to your future self. Wealth grows from many small actions repeated over time. They never stop planting new opportunities. The journey begins with one smart financial decision. Rich people don't avoid saving. They simply refuse to let money sit still. Start investing in your future today and let your money grow with you.